Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Rich Packing. When it comes to blister packaging, one common issue that cannot be overlooked is missing tablets or capsules in blister packs. This not only affects product quality but also reduces efficiency. In most cases, the cause lies in the feeding station. Today, we'll compare two common feeding methods. One is brush feeding and the other is guide rail feeding. Now let's explore their working principles and reasons for missing fills. As for brush feeding, it uses rotating brush to sweep materials into empty blisters. Instead of precisely positioning each product, the brush completes filling through mechanical sweeping. However, when the brush fails to keep up with the whole production speed, it can't offer sufficient sweeping coverage within the limited time. In this case, missing fills can easily occur. Now let's look at the upgraded guide rail feeding system. In guide rail feeding, tablets or capsules are aligned into a single track with the assistance of vibration system and then drop into empty blisters through the guide rail. In the feeding pan, there are several small dust extraction ports keeping material surface clean. Also, a photoelectric sensor can monitor the material in real time, so the quantity can be controlled accordingly and automatically. This highly controlled process ensures more accurate positioning, resulting lower missing rate and much greater production stability than brush feeding. That said, guide rail feeding is not suitable for every product. Materials of irregular shapes may become stuck in the guide rail, interrupting the flow and causing missing fills. So, how to choose appropriate feeding system for your products? Generally speaking, for materials of irregular shapes and small-scale production, brush feeding is more cost-effective given the price, production requirements, and material properties. However, if your products tend to generate many dusts such as plain tablets, guide rail feeding is an advisable choice to keep intact sealing. Also, guide rail feeding is suitable for standard capsules or tablets with consistent shapes, and it's also ideal for large-scale production. Now you might ask, then how to deal with missing fills? Well, we can equip your machine with a vision inspection and automatic rejection system. Thus, missing tablets or capsules can be detected in real time and then automatically rejected before entering the following packaging line such as cartoning machine. Of course, every product comes with its own packaging requirements and special properties. That's why we offer you customized solutions based on your material properties and production demands. For example, if your product tends to generate many dusts, we can combine a brush feeding system with a dust extraction unit to continuously remove the dust during feeding. These solutions significantly minimize the contamination during sealing and ensures much better quality. If you want to know which feeding system is better for your product, just contact us. We are ready to provide you a customized and professional packaging solution.